Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can embed a YouTube video in your Wix site. So let's get right into it. The first thing you're going to want to do is go over to that YouTube video and copy its URL. You're going to need the address of that video so that you can embed it here into Wix. Now, once you have the address, what you're going to want to do is click on the plus at the top of this toolbar over to the left. It's the Add Elements button, and once you click it, this menu will appear. What you're going to want to do is go into Video and Music, which is somewhere along the middle of the list, then go into Single Video Players, and then you have the YouTube option right over here. You want to click it and drag it over into your site wherever you would like, wherever you think the best spot is. I'll just put it over here, and as you can see, it's some stock footage from Wix. Now, if you want to add your own YouTube video, what you can do is click on Change Video, make sure YouTube is still selected, and then what's the video's web address, just click here, make sure all the text is selected, and paste your video address over here. As you can see, I copied the address of some stock footage of clouds, and as you can see, you can resize it to whatever you would like. You can also set up autoplay functions if you want to as well. As you can see, it can autoplay and play in a loop if you want to. What's this video about? You can add a description, you don't need to. But now that I've set everything up, let me go into the preview, and once the preview launches and loads, as you can see, it autoplays the video. And if I go to the end over here, once it's done, as you'll see, it'll loop it back again. And as you can see, that is pretty much all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.